everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is Sriparna, and in today's video I'm going to make two really beautiful DIYs from waste materials. So stay tuned with me and keep watching the video. For the first DIY, I am using this empty glass bottle and I am going to make a mushroom house, and for that I am taking a clay. Okay, now the process is I will use the air dry clay to make each part of this house, such as doors, windows, and I will make a trees, flowers also. So enjoy the process working with air dry clay. मैंने पहले भी एक मशरूम हाउस बनाया था आर्टिफिशियल क्ले से। मैं उसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ऐड कर दूंगी, आप चाहो तो चेक कर सकती हो। Work is done. Now we'll keep it 2 hours. 2 hours is maximum it takes to dry, and then we will color it with acrylic colors. Now we will place some more clay on the top of this cap and we will make something like this. I have used 2 coats white acrylic colors here, but आप चाहो तो 2 या 3 कोट भी दे सकते हो। This mushroom house is perfect to decorate your garden or balcony, or decorate your table or bookshelf, or even you can put lights into it and it will serve as a lamp. For the second DIY, I am using this paper and some pressed flour and glue. At the first मैं एक प्लेट में ग्लू एंड वाटर एक साथ मिक्स कर लूँगी। Now I am going to stick these flowers onto this paper with this mixer. लॉन्ग टाइम एगो मैंने एक प्रेस फ्लावर जार लैंटर्न बनाया था एंड उस वीडियो में फ्रेश फ्लावर को पेस्ट कैसे करें सब कुछ डिटेल में है एंड उसकी लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ऐड कर दूंगी, आप चाहो तो चेक कर सकती हो। नेक्स्ट वी विल पेस्ट दिस टू पेपर टुगेदर। Now I am taking two circle cardboard cutting. Now paste this cardboard cutting like this using glue. We'll make a hole at the center of it. Here is a lighting arrangements and we will pass the wire through this hole like this. My pressed flower paper lantern is ready. Now let's see the final result. So that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and please let me know in the comment section among these two DIYs which one you like the most, and please give me this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in the next video soon. Till then, take care. Bye.